You want to talk about your day? How's it going? You're teething? You like to eat your cloth? You tried to throw yourself out of your car seat today? That was fun. Do you want some tablets? Whoa! Do you need to poop? I think you need to poop. Okay, I'll give you some tablets. Where'd they go? This is Lila's life. Really? I'm getting one. Here you go. Open your mouth. There you go. Get it. There you go. Good girl. One more. Ready? Good girl. Those yummies. Well, probably not actually. It probably tastes like crap. Good girl. This is called a pill bottle. Don't ever touch it. Ever. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.